Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you've got an FRS or a BRZ with an LS swap in it and you're trying to keep cool and have an AC system that works great and is easy to install, then we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. This system was designed and engineered to be a complete plug-and-play solution, making the installation and hooking up an AC system extremely easy in your FRS or BRZ. The kit comes complete with all the lines crimped and ready to go. There's no fabrication or additional work that needs to be done other than installing the components provided in the SIKKY kit. This complete system is designed around using O-ring orb style fittings, much like an OEM AC system versus some of the other aftermarket line kits that use AN fittings, which will leak over time and lose your Freon charge. These AC lines are designed to be extremely reliable, coming with the high pressure and low pressure fill ports, as well as the GM pressure sensor. So depending on the harness setup you're running and what computer you're running, you can tap into your factory GM sensor right into this line, and it'll allow you to send that signal back to the computer and control it just like OEM. This Firewall adapter fitting was designed to bolt into the factory position just like the OEM line, but adapt it to an orb style fitting for our AC lines. Since this AC system is designed around using the factory Scion FRS or Subaru BRZ AC condenser, we've machined and designed these billet aluminum adapter fittings that mount or bolt into that condenser just like a factory line would, then adapts it to these orb O-ring style fittings to ensure many years of leak-free use. The kit is also designed around using the 2004 to 2015 CTS-V AC compressor, which has the best profile and clearance for this particular swap in the FRS or the BRZ. Now that compressor would have come on the 5.7, 6.0, and 6.2 liters, so it's a pretty good front drive setup to run on any LS swap. We chose that compressor because it's gonna fit the best. And we machined and designed this adapter fitting that bolts to the compressor and changes the lines to a front exit, making the line kit easy to install and also fit very well within the frame rails and the confines of the FRS and BRZ engine compartment. We also offer a complete front drive system for the FRS and BRZ swap that comes with this AC pump. This is an additional option you can find in the AC section on our website. Based on our testing, we recommend 1 pound 6 ounce charge in this system. It can vary a little bit depending on your setup, but we've found it to work best with that particular charge. Be sure to check out our other YouTube video, the step-by-step installation of this complete system, to learn more about how simple and easy we make this install. To make the install even easier, I would recommend installing this Firewall block before you put the engine into the car. To learn more about this AC system and the other parts we make for LS swaps, be sure to log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.